Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another ready to eat meal, which is the MTR 3-minute breakfast. This is the MTR new 3-minute breakfast range, which has multiple products available for breakfast and which are ready to eat and you don't require cooking. So it's just like heat it and cook it kind of a thing itself, like the ready meals. This is the 3-minute breakfast range, and the product that we are going to review today is the MTR 3-minute breakfast range instant poha. So this is the poha packet here from MTR, and let's start off with the review of the product. Let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a plastic pouch. Here we have the MTR branding. Then we have the name here, new 3-minute breakfast, which is the product. Here they have mentioned that no cooking is needed, just add boiling water. Just add hot boiling water here, and the name of the product is here poha. And then they have given an illustration of the poha around here. And here's the pure vegetarian symbol, and the net weight is 60 grams. So 60 grams poha is here. The net weight of the product is 60 grams. Moving on to the back side of the packaging, again we have the MTR branding, the 3-minute breakfast branding here, the vegetarian symbol here, and here it's written poha. The name of the product is poha awalaki. It's a wholesome and tasty poha ready in just 3 minutes with just hot water. So you don't need to cook anything, no giving it tadka, nothing. Just add hot boiling water to it, and within 3 minutes your poha will be ready. So here they have mentioned the directions of use, so I'll come to that in some time. On the other hand, we have the ingredients mentioned here. It says goodness of grains. There are no added preservatives like the other ready to eat meals from MTR. There are no added preservatives in this poha as well. Here they have mentioned the ingredients. There are the nutritional facts mentioned. Please remember, a pointer to remember: store in a cool and dry and hygienic place. Consume immediately after opening the pack. Do not buy the pack if torn or damaged. That is the information available on the packages. And now coming to how to make it. So they have given the directions of use here. You just need to empty this packet in a bowl or a container. Add hot water to it. Add like 45 ml of hot water to it, and hot boiling water. Then mix it well and then cover it for 3 minutes, and then your poha will be ready to serve. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's open the packet and see how does the poha look. So we will just quickly tear it open, and here we go. Let's see how does the poha look. So here we are open, and there's poha inside it. So we'll quickly empty it in a bowl right now, and then we'll see what all is there inside it. So as soon as you open the packet, you get a strong aroma of spices which are there in the poha. And here's the poha that we have removed in the bowl. So it looks like the poha chuda that you get, but you can enjoy it like this as well, like a poha chuda. But if you add boiling water to it, your normal poha will be ready. Fluffy poha will be ready for you to enjoy in just 3 minutes. So this looks like a normal poha chuda right now here, the namkeen that you get. But to this, if you add boiling water, you will have your delicious breakfast poha ready in 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and add boiling water to this and prepare the poha for breakfast. Here we are taking the poha in a container, and now we are going to add 45 ml of hot water into it. And here we are adding the 45 ml of hot water. We'll just mix the poha up, and we'll just cover it and keep. We just need to mix it, and we are just going to cover it and keep for 3 minutes. So here we have added hot water to the poha, and now we just need to keep it for 3 minutes covered. Guys, our MTR breakfast mix poha is ready. And here it is, the MTR 3-minute poha. And here it goes, a taste of the MTR 3-minute poha. We are going to do a taste test, and I'm going to let you all know how good this poha is. The poha is nice and hot, but not every bit of poha has like become soft. As instructed, I added 45 ml of boiling water to it, but still some of the poha is still feeling like it's hard and not soft. I had mixed it well, but I feel 45 ml is a bit less of in terms of water. I think we should take at least 50 to 55 ml of water. The overall taste is on the spicier side. It can't come close to the poha that is made at home or you find in hotels. The taste isn't matching. The taste isn't that great. I felt eating it raw like a poha chuda felt better. Maybe you can just fry it in oil and make a poha chuda out of it. But in terms of poha, I really didn't like the taste. It didn't turn out soft. Like, I added the correct amount of water which they had asked for, boiling hot water, but still it didn't turn out the way I had expected it. So yeah, I would rate the MTR Poha a 2 out of 5 for the taste. The overall packaging was good. The concept is good of 3-minute poha, instant poha, but it didn't end up tasting that great. So guys, yes, that was my review about the MTR instant poha. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.